Hey y'all, we're back down at the honey hole. We're gonna check out the river level and see if it came up any. Got a big flood the other night. Hopefully the river finally came up. It ain't rained in months. See what it looks like down here. Oh yeah, it looks better. Yep, it's up. I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see it. Come up probably about a foot or two. It's flowing now. All that trash from the last video is blown out of here, so we're gonna give it a shot, see what we can catch. All right, y'all, stay tuned for some exciting action. This is the rod they about pulled us in the river, wasn't it?
Uh-huh. That was hilarious.
That was a good one. That was fun, wasn't it?
It was fun.
All right.
Just the next day when I woke up, I was
Yeah. Good workout, eh?
My knee was killing me.
Yeah, this bank's so steep, it's hard to stand right here. You don't even realize how much you're straining. Alright, we're gonna get our catfish rig going here. Might even catch a giant garfish on it, who knows? Or a mudfish.
Yeah, we're probably going to see a whole lot of mudfish.
I hope not. Maybe we can get some good quality fish in.
Not a lot of action.
Alright, we're good to go on that. Let's see if I can stick that up there where you can't feel it. Alright. Alright, watch out, I'm gonna fling it out there. I don't want you to get blood all over you. Or guts. Alright, I'm about to launch it out. So we can catch on this. Didn't get very far, no weight on this thing, but that'll be good. Put it right here in our rod holder. Let's put this tackle box somewhere else. Can you set that over there, please?
Yep.
Thank you. Let's see, I think I'll do it like that. There we go, it's set up.
That's a minnow bucket. It's crazy how all the people in this river just litter it.
Yeah, people don't care. That's what ruins it for everybody. But if we see it, we're going to clean it up. Because we want it to stay pristine and beautiful.
Where is that knife that you were talking about? Not your knife.
It should be in, like, not the top part, but the ones that you pull the little tabs. You know what I mean? And it folds out. It should be in there. Alright y'all, it's supposed to be fairly good fishing. It's about 2 days after the new moon. Had 3 stars on the fishing forecast for Quitman, Georgia. Let's see if it's correct. We forgot the bucket for the fish. I didn't bring an ice chest. Yeah, I thought about bringing it, and then I said, nah, it's so heavy. Trying to get down here, if we was in the boat, it wouldn't be that big of a deal, but...
If we were in a boat, we had that little mill pipe.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to put all your stuff in the big boat. having to tote everything down this ladder. It's a bit of a chore. Sure is a nice day, y'all. Didn't quite get in the honey hole. I might need to throw it on down there a little bit further. I might have to do some limb trimming. I need another weight. Another split shot on there so it'll zing on out. You see the current pushing backwards, Aiden?
Where?
See it? See the leaves going this way and you see the leaves going that way out in the middle? It's an eddy right here. That's why there's so many fish. It's a nice little place to take a break. It's always pushing food through here. If y'all can see that up there where it's a little bit higher, where we launched the boat last time, me and Aiden was talking about smoothing that out to where we could sit up there. Be a lot easier and maybe put some steps up higher where we wouldn't have this ladder straight up and down. Be a little bit easier to get down here. Have a nice platform to sit on. What do y'all think? Maybe cut that dead tree out. Have some good casting. Might have to fish on the bottom.
State record fish was caught on this jitterbug. Not this one, but a jitterbug.
Uh-huh. A bass?
Uh-huh.
I was watching Bluegill. He went up north somewhere to some lake, I think maybe in Alabama. And he caught some giant speckled perch.
Yeah, I haven't caught a speckled perch in a while.
Yeah, me either.
What in the world is God doing?
The lakes in Tallahassee are so low, I'd be scared to put that big boat in there. We'd be bottomed out on something. It should start raining because it's spring now. So the lake levels will come up and then we can take the bass boat out. I need to get that big deep sea boat out and crank it up. Hadn't been run in years.
All those videos we did in December.
Yeah, it was it was really hard in the summer because it was so hot. And then in December it was or in the winter. Oh, we're getting a bite. You ready? Oh, boy, he's stripping. Oh, boy, it's big. Well, this thing needs a lock on it so it doesn't go backwards. He's pulling whatever it is. It's like a nice catfish. Better pull your line in.
I'm getting it good.
Hoist him up in here.
I got a navy.
That's probably about,
What's it like? Look.
I would say, nice 3-pounder.
Look, I got a good video.
Good. All right, let's let him go. Be free, catfish. Catfish nuggets.
Yep. But how much time would that take to get me off? Just having to cut through all the layers of skin.
Yeah, you gotta have a good system. Needed to get a nail. Like my Uncle Ben, we used to have a nail sticking out of a board on the side of a building. And he would ram their head on the nail. You know, the nail was sticking out at an angle like this, and then it would hold it, and he could skin it like that. Really smart. I'm getting a bite. Come on, baby, be a big old giant speckled perch. Big old suckle-a. Or a 4-pound bass. Or a giant red belly.
I'm gonna do an advertisement.
Okay, go ahead.
But y'all need to try the pistachio chocolate. It's really good and very crunchy.
You're supposed to be doing a commercial for my website.
Maybe it's chocolate or something.
Don't get on that. That's that hang up that we was having problems with during the winter. That one little cypress knee's got all them little roots coming off of it. It'll snag you every time. Hey, look at there. Just as soon as I pulled my thing in, a bass is chasing minnows. That figures. There he comes. He's coming right at me. Oh, he saw me. He's going down. Maybe this will float right around and he'll see it. What was that? Hey, go up there and look. Somebody's messing around in the truck. Somebody's messing around in the truck up there. Go look. Hurry. I want them to steal my camera stuff. Look, got one. Hey, who messed with my drag? Come on in here, big dog. He's pulling whatever it is. A little bass.
Big old bass.
Pulling this drag out. Tire him out a little bit. Yep, that's that little bass that was chasing them minnows. He's pulling. We should have got the net. It's so far down to the water. Come on up here, don't break my line. It's a nice one there. Y'all, probably about a 2-pounder.
I don't see nothing messing on the truck.
Ain't no telling. That's a nice bass, y'all. It's probably about 14 inches long. Here's the bass. Alright, y'all, let's let him go. Turn into a 10-pounder, bud. Be free. That's some good action. There's a big old fish right here.
Get it.
And I got him. A nice brim. There we go. Well, he nailed that a minute, didn't he? There we go, y'all. River brim. Pretty good. He's kind of thin, but he's round like a saucer. Come on out of there. They just about, oh yeah, he's a copperhead or coppernose bluegill. Y'all see that? Can't hardly see it unless the sun shines on it. You can see a little bit right there, but when it starts spawning, it'll get really pretty. All right, be free. It's springtime, y'all. Sure is getting pretty out here again.
Someone just blew it from.
Yeah. Somebody's got some money. I bet they shoot $1,000 worth of bullets every week. What do you want for lunch?
I don't care. Burger.
Thinking about J&J's, I can call it in. They got giant hamburgers. They got bacon cheeseburgers too. That's what I like.
I like fish.
And they got them giant onion rings too. You like onion rings?
Yeah,
Kinda.
a little bit. They just make my mouth stink.
Yeah, they give you bad breath, that's for sure.
They usually don't even brush my teeth. Still smelling. Get on my nerves. I like
Think that's bad. You should eat some one of them sandwiches I've been making with basil pesto. It's got garlic in it. You ain't gonna be getting no kisses from nobody, I'll put it that way. You kill vampires with your breath. It tastes good. It's good for you. Uh-oh. I think we might be getting a little bite here.
you want to get it?
Yeah, I'll see what he's doing here. Gotcha. It's like a little baby catfish. Yep. Nice little catfish. Whoa. Forgot this thing don't have a lock on it. See, we was letting him run with it too long. That's a nice little fat little catfish. Look at that one, y'all. Oops, get him in the shot. Fish rag. Come on around here with your fat little belly. Probably got eggs all in it. Caught him in his whisker and part of his mouth. There we go. Nice little catfish. I'm not sure what kind it is. It's probably about a 1 pounder, 1.5. All right, go and be free. How many catfish we done caught? 2, 3?
2. We've had 3 on.
I got a bass, big coppernose.
I've
He
got
wasn't real
nothing.
big for a coppernose. He was kind of medium size. Kind of skinny still. He wasn't thick yet. He did have a good round shape on him though.
I caught a limbrim.
Yeah, you caught a limb brand for sure. He swallowed the hook.
Uh-huh.
It's still up there. Hey, up right here. See that lizard on the tree?
Oh yeah, I have
He's doing his neck goozle. Hurry. Take one sideways and take one verticals for YouTube short. Come on, real hurry. Zoom in on it. Don't get too close to the run. You gotta hold it perfectly sideways.
Look at that lizard.
Sure is a beautiful day. Oh, I see. He's getting a bite. Look here, Aiden. You want it?
Yep.
All right, go ahead. He's got it. You better hurry. He's gonna gobble it up. Make sure the line's tight. You got him this time. Get him. What does he have? Looks like he's doing a swirly whirly. It's old catfish. He's got him.
Oh, I forgot this real good thing backwards.
Yeah, you got to kind of hold it and hold the line. There you go. You got him.
Oh, flip.
It's a night one. Nice one.
Night one.
Yeah. I almost fell and said night. Uh-oh. Might have some problemas.
What?
I don't see the hook.
I'm going to drop.
Oh no, it's right there. Let me hold them needle nose pliers, please. Sure. They're in the tackle box right there on the top. All right, y'all. Aiden finally got him a catfish. We're gonna let him go. All right, let him be free.
Be free. Oh, never mind.
But once I go.
Safe release, fellas.
Okay, he's okay. He's tough. Just saw a giant strike across the river. We can't figure out if it's a big gar or a bass.
I don't know if I want to fight with the big gar again.
Now that's what you said this morning.
I do.
I see something chasing minnows over there. I'll help you.
I want to catch one, but I don't want to go through the struggles of waking up the next morning. My whole hand was numb.
Yeah, I bet. This fishing rod ain't the best either. It's an old-timey one.
Because my
The reel anyway ain't that great. The rod's just fine. Oh, I thought something had it.
think something does. You want to get this one?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Think something has it.
Oh, I pulled it out of his mouth. I felt it For a second, he was munching on it. He gets to have the whole thing now.
Lucky
It was a big old chunk. Probably a little bitty one with a big mouthful.
Then a guard gonna come over there and take it out of his mouth. I've seen a guard do that before.
Yeah, they're pretty brave. Oh, I'll slide off again. This stuff's getting so hot it's just turning into mush. Oh well, we're chumming them up. Uh-oh, my stomach, my tiger's growling. You know what that means? J&J's bacon cheeseburger with big giant onion rings is on the way. Alright, please do not come off. Won't go through the massive throw this time.
We need to get one more.
Yeah, that one's going to be straight up and down right here because I didn't throw it very far. Here's the little flat area. Well, it's fairly flat that I was telling y'all about. Just thinking about, you can see where we're at right here, close to the swing. There's the edge right there. Make a little platform here and go straight out with some posts. Make a little platform, and then it's probably a good 6 or 7 foot down there to the sand. And put some steps over here up beside the bank. And then kind of smooth that out with a shovel a little bit, and we'll be able to sit up here and fish. It's kind of high right now, but when the river comes up, it won't be so bad. And maybe take that old dead tree out right there. It's just waiting to fall in the river anyway. Let me know what y'all think if you got any ideas. And then that's where we usually sit, right over there on the bank. Hey y'all. Didn't get to do an outro the other day. Both of the batteries died on the GoPro and the phone. Plus it was getting pretty hot and the fish weren't biting, so we just gave it up. I want to take this opportunity to wish y'all a happy Easter, and I hope y'all get to spend time with your loved ones, worshiping our risen Savior, Jesus Christ. God bless y'all. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and a wonderful time with your family. See y'all next time. Bye-bye.